Good morning, everyone. Today, on Global Recycling Day, let's remind ourselves recycling is not just a responsibility, it's an opportunity to protect our planet. In 2025, let's all be recycling heroes by making small actions count every single day. In our ready mix concrete plants, recycling plays a crucial role. We can recycle returned concrete, reuse wash water, control cement dust, and segregate waste effectively. By choosing recycled aggregates and reducing material waste, we not only save costs but also build a greener future. Let's make recycling part of our plant culture, from procurement to production, and from employees to equipment operators. Remember, every recycled material reduces environmental impact and supports sustainable growth. Together, let's make every load, every drop, and every action count for a cleaner, greener, and stronger tomorrow. Thank you, Murugan Ji, founder, Make Success Solutions.